Hi guys, mega love shoutout sa lahat. Kumusta po kayo? And live na po ako. Kasi getting ready to go to work na. Thank you po sa mag-antabay dyan. At comment lang kayo at balikan ko kayo. Dahil po ching, hindi pa yata ako nakapag-engage sa iyo dahil. Thank you sa lahat na nag-antabay ha. Thank you everyone. Is this my live? Nalilito na ako. We'll see. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi pala yun. Okay, thank you po. Thank you sa lahat. At sinong mag-comment dyan. Balikan ko kayo guys. Marami kasing ginagawa. Ay, nawala na yung isa. Ay, ano ba yan? Ito pala. Dito pala yun. Tapos nandyan ako, nandyan si Dongting. Nandyan si Depuch. Nanood ako sa inyo kasi mga sa hindi ko na lang ito i-off. Tuloy-tuloy na lang yan. Kahit na magalit sa akin si YT. Bahala na. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you guys. Ako muna, magsasalita ng konti. Tapos, okay. Dito sa isa, may isa kay Puchin, may isa kay Dongting, at saka yung sa akin dalawa. Kasi apat ang guys, ang window dito. Okay lang guys, walang masyadong manood. Pangharang lang na lang ito sa akin. Okay, nakasit up na ako sa isa, tapos kulang pa. Good evening, Sachi. Mega love shoutout, Sachi. Thank you for coming to my live. Mega love shoutout, Tango Vlog. Thank you, Tango Vlog. I don't have time yet to go to your channel. I will just list down who went to my live, and then I will engage with you later guys, because so busy. I'm on my way to work. I'm not even getting ready yet. That's why I set up this one already. I'm just gonna write down on my phone. Waiting for 10 minutes to make a highlight for this. Okay, lista ko na. Sandali lang guys ha. Where is my live? Unahin talaga ang live oh. Tango Vlog, Sachi. I will pin your next Tango Vlog. Okay. Tango Tango Vlog, Sachi, and who else gonna come? Kayla Boo, hello, mega love shout out, Kayla Boo, same thing every day, live every day. Thank you, Miss Kayla. Okay, I will go to your live later. I will go to your channel later. Okay, I will just list down on my phone. Kayla Boo, Tango Vlog. Inday, Sis Bibski, ano uli yung ano mo? What is your main Bibski? Tango Vlog, Sachi. I will, ano yun uli yung main account mo, Sis Bibski? Bibski 1. Pakitype nga yung ano mo uli, sis, kung nandyan ka pa. Because I will engage with you guys later. Because I'm getting ready. I'm still gonna go some places and make what you call this, so busy. I'm waiting for I will watch that one, Sis Tango Vlog, when I go to my work. I have gadgets that I bring, but let me just make it like 8 minutes highlights. Thank you, Kayla. Thank you, my friend Kayla. You are so nice. You're always there. You are always the algorithm of my life. Thank you so much, my friend. I think my husband is calling me. Hold on. Hello, Dong? Hello?
Tawari dai.
Dako, Dong, dako. 8. Kana, sakto na, Dong.
Kaning puti okay ra ni.
Oh, basta dako. Kana, usa lang.
Yeah. Okay dai.
Okay, Dong.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay lang yung papalit.
Wala. Nag-live
Okay.
na ko.
Okay dai.
Okay, Dong. Bye.
Diba?
My husband calling me. Let me see, how many minutes already? Oh, 8:20. Okay, I will make a... Hello, Inday, Julie, mayang-mayang. Maggawa ako ng ano, I'm gonna make